I don't really understand how this went from an affair through an email to an investigation on this level.
You know, I don't understand that either, Shep. And in order for the FBI to be reading the emails of the chief spy of the United States, the director of the CIA, they would either need a search warrant from a federal judge, in which case they'd have to demonstrate to him that General Petraeus himself was possessing or was involved with, evidence of a crime or was engaged in criminal activity, or they'd have to write their own search warrant under the Patriot Act, in which case they'd have to satisfy themselves that the general was involved in terrorist activity. Now, both of these is absurd, and neither of them could form the basis for this. The only other way they would surveil his emails is to have hacked into a CIA computer, which would then be a crime for them. So in any one of those three situations, the FBI has a lot of explaining to do. What were FBI agents doing monitoring the secret emails of the director of the CIA, and how is it the CIA didn't know about it? Because the FBI surely knew about General Petraeus' personal behavior long before this. They knew about it when they investigated him, when they did a background search of him prior to his confirmation as the head of the FBI. They knew about the relationship with Mrs. Brodwell then. So why did they need to corroborate this relationship by viewing his secret emails, which are against the law to view unless you have a search warrant? None of this is being answered. This, in my view, is just as troubling as Senator Feinstein's concern that the Congress wasn't notified. It's troubling because there are laws that the FBI has to follow, and General Petraeus, just because he's an adulterer, doesn't lose his constitutional rights. And he has the right to be protected from an unwarranted, unjustified investigation by the FBI or anyone.
A lot of